and the surrounding litigation. The court concluded, other than publicity, the settlement of the wrongful death action, the criminal prosecution of Mr. Murdaugh, the defendant in this case, including his reversal by the clerk of court. The same publicity and public attention that justified transfer in Beach is present here and further supports this court's determination of a change of venue is necessary to protect the defendant's constitutional rights. Further, I'm going to find that under Section 172185 is not an adequate alternative. That procedure would require Colleton County to bear the substantial cost of transporting, housing, feeding, and securing an out-of-county jury throughout a multi-week trial. More importantly, it would not remedy the prejudice identified by this court or eliminate the concerns arising from retrying this case in the same community where the constitutional violation occurred. I find that there's no lesser remedy that will adequately protect the defendant's constitutional right to a fair and impartial jury. The court rules venue is transferred outside of the 14th Circuit. I'm going to reserve my ruling to the specific county in which this matter will be transferred. You know, let me tell y'all, it takes a village to get this case transferred. For those of you who don't know, there's a lot of other things besides walking into a courthouse and sitting down and trying to try a case. You know, we have to consider security, transportation. Is the courthouse adequate? Is there lodging? There's also docket considerations that have already been set for next year. There's a bunch of matters to consider. So what I'm going to do is I will think about it. I need to look at it. I will tell you, Mr. Waters, you are correct. Cost is a concern because Colleton County does bear the cost of the retrial in this case. Colleton County is not a rich county. It's a poor county. So that will be at the foremost of my thoughts when I transfer this case. I was in hopes that the two of y'all could agree on a destination, but since that's not happening, I will decide and I will let y'all know. I will issue an order. I will do a formal order on my transfer of venue and also will designate the county into which we are going to try this case. Okay? Any objections?
None from the state, Your Honor.
Perfect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right.